60 minus 50 gives us 10. And again, here we have 60 minus 50, which again gives us 10. And 10 times 10 is equal to 100. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I will write here. So according to the rule PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stand for addition or subtraction. According to this rule, the first thing to solve is parenthesis, right? So after we solve the parenthesis, we are going to move to exponent, and then to multiplication or division, and finally to addition or subtraction. Here is the thing. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong, right? We have to solve multiplication before subtraction or before addition, right? Because multiplication or division have higher priority than addition or subtraction. They are higher priority, they are expected to be solved before addition or subtraction. So this is their priority. Parenthesis is priority number 1, exponent is number 2, and multiplication or division is priority number 3, and finally addition or subtraction is priority number 4. And this is the right order to follow and solve mathematical equations, right? So here we have parentheses, a subtraction and a multiplication, right? If a number is next to parentheses, that means multiplication, so we do have multiplication here. So let's solve the problem together. 60 minus 50 gives us 10, and the problem becomes 60 minus 50 times 10, right? So we have to solve the multiplication before the subtraction, right? So 50 times 10 gives us 500. And the problem becomes 60 minus 500, which is equal to negative 440. So the final answer to this question is negative 440.